Hey guys, welcome back to Brewing with Idiots. Just for your information, Brewing with Idiots is shutting down and is moving over to the channel Camping with Idiots because we just can't be bothered running two channels. Camping with Idiots, we do anything anyway, so we'll just combine everything. Now, you're aware of our last brewing video. We brewed up a nice West Coast wheat beer, a UK brew, and here's a bottle of it here. And I'm getting a little thirsty because it's near dinner time and I like to be drunk when I cook. So I'm going to taste test this. Now in an upcoming video I'm going to show you how to prime this, okay? So it's nice and carbonated inside. But just for your information, there's a, I don't think you can see it, but at the bottom of that there's some dead yeast. That's a hangover from carbonating in the bottle. So let's open this and see if I can find which side I have to open it with. Okay. Oh, I don't know if you saw that. There was a little bit of smoke came out there, which is a good sign. Now, when we pour this, we have to be very careful that we don't get any of this dead yeast into our glass. Some people like the taste of this, and there is beers on the market that you can get with the yeast in it. I don't mind the taste of it, but I'm going to try and avoid it anyway. So, you can see it there. That's nice and carbonated. I'm just watching the bottle here to make sure I get none of that yeast. Don't know if you can see that. You see how cloudy it is? That's the dead yeast cells. Ooh, look at that. That looks good. That's lovely and cool. And it's got... Now, we didn't add anything onto that, any special ingredients to retain the head or anything. We just went with what was in the package. I brewed a Irish Stout, a Cooper's Irish Stout, coming in an upcoming video where I've added a bit of ingredients to it, and that keep tuned. So that's smells like beer. That's nice, yeah. Tastes a little bit nutty, and more like an IPA than a wheat beer. Actually, doesn't look much like a wheat beer either. Actually, it looks more like an IPA as well. There we go. There's the middle of the screen. Yeah, very hoppy, which is kind of strange for a wheat beer, but nonetheless, it's not too bad. It's a nice beer. Lovely and cool as well, because it's been in the fridge for the last 3 days. A successful brew. Stay tuned and watch out for our next tutorial when we do an Irish Stout, and we've added a little ingredients, well, 2 little ingredients. It's a Cooper's pack, which is one of my favourites, so keep an eye on that one. I also brewed a cider, however I have misplaced the video for that one, so we probably won't be showing that, but anyway, this is what I brewed up. We'll taste test it, but I can't find the video, so I don't know what camera I put it on, or did I record over it by accident. I don't know. Anyway guys, keep brewing. Let us know how you get on with your own brewing, and if you've any questions, write it down in the comments. We'll try and answer them, or if you want any particular brew to make, let us know, we'll brew that. I think I'll have steak tonight. Cheers.